Hi, my name is Dwan Hill, and I'm a 2008 and 2013 graduate of Belmont University. I'm a preacher's kid. I sang in the choir, played piano, and my dream was to one day teach high school choir. I thought I was coming to Belmont to study music, but the community and the environment is the most valuable part. One of those people was Dudley, my private piano teacher, and Benita. She was a spiritual advisor. It was industry, it was ministry, and that's Belmont. At the same time, I couldn't shake this itch to sing with people that started what we call the choir room. We believe choir represents community and faith and unity in diversity. Belmont invited us back, and we met in the grand lobby of the Fisher Center. That was the beginning of a movement that we never anticipated. I think when we sing together, we get a foretaste of glory. And that's what hope is. Hope is reaching for something that you can't see yet, but you have a taste.